Hi, I'm Valerie from iGMS Customer Experience team, and in this tutorial I will show you how to use the Cleaners account dashboard. To get invited to iGMS platform, please ask your manager or supervisor to send you the invitation link via the email. Once you've received the invitation email, please follow the steps below. Click on the Accept Invitation button. You will be redirected to the iGMS page where you can create a password for your team member account. Click on Join Team. You don't need to have an Airbnb or HomeAway VRBO account to be a team member on iGMS. Now, let's start with the overview of the dashboard. After logging into your iGMS account, you can see My Team dashboard, where all the relevant information about your team, role, and access permissions are displayed. You can reach your profile settings right from the dashboard or from the left top corner. Here you can find and change your personal information, contact details, and the account password. Make sure that your phone number and email are always up to date so iGMS will notify you about upcoming tasks in a timely manner. Before iGMS settings, you have access to the cleaning visits and tasks that have been assigned to you, and can change the task status. Now let's switch to the Jobs tab. After clicking the Jobs button, you will see all the assigned cleaning jobs and tasks for the selected date with the respective status: assigned, accepted, cancelled. You can also check the workload for other dates, past or upcoming, by using the two arrows next to the date. You will be notified about a cleaning via email and text message once it has been assigned to you. You will also receive a reminder via SMS the evening before the task should be performed. To accept or reject the cleaning, go to the Jobs tab, click on the one you need, and then choose the Accept or Reject buttons. Note that when rejecting, you will need to provide reasons for declining the visit. Accepting the visit will let you stay informed about any related changes. For example, when the reservation was cancelled and the visit got cancelled as well. After accepting the visit, click on the name of the property to see all the instructions regarding the visit. Make sure you click Start the visit and Finish once you're done. If the instructions include a checklist, tick the boxes once the tasks are completed. Normally, you can see all the necessary information about the properties to be cleaned. However, if you don't see the property you're assigned to clean, please ask your manager to check your profile and access settings on their end. Please note that if you have already been invited to one team, you won't be able to use the same iGMS user account to be a team member in more than one team. If you want to help several iGMS users with cleaning or maintenance tasks, we suggest that you create two different team member accounts in iGMS, using two different email addresses for each of your teams. To stay mobile and fully informed about your workload, you can download the iGMS mobile app for iOS or Android. By doing this, you will be able to get push notifications about your cleanings and the related updates promptly. Moreover, the mobile app functionality is the same as the desktop version. To download the mobile app, please check the respective link in the description of this video. If you have any questions regarding iGMS functionality, feel free to contact our customer support team via email or chat. We will be happy to assist you. Have a great day!